Dear students and all other viewers, you all are welcome to my new class. Hope you all are well. Here I am Topun Kumar Vishwas, Assistant Headmaster of Kalshira Secondary School, Chitomari, Balaghat. I have brought a new class on English First One for the students of class 9 and 10. And the unit is 1 and lesson 1. The name of the topic is Can we live alone? Can you live alone? Okay, dear students, open your English first word and go to the page number 2. Okay, now here we have two pictures here. Dear students, look at the pictures and you will have to guess what is the picture about. Dear students, here in picture number 1, we can see a person. Only one person is working in a house and he is looking very stressed. Now we can see in the picture number 2 that three men and women are working in a house, and there is a cat also and a cow also. Okay, dear students, and they are happy to look at. Okay, they are happy looking. So we can guess that they are happy in the family. Okay, now dear students, we have got the two questions here. You will have to answer to this question. Okay, question number 1: Can you live alone in a house? Dear students, I have written here the answer. You can answer in another way, and you can use your own words. I have written here no. We can live alone in a house. Now, question number 2: Make a list of problems you think you will have if you live alone in a house. For example, having accident, feeling lonely, etc. Okay, the answer is written here. If I live alone, you will have many problems like there is none to cook, there is none to wash, there is none to accompany me, there is none to help in accidents, and so on. Okay, you can add another problems to these. Okay, now we will move on to next activity. Activity B. Read the story and answer the question that follows. I am reading the text for you. Long ago, young man who lived in a village found his life full of problems and sufferings. Quarrels, ill feelings, jealousy, enmity, all were part of everyday life there. So he left his house and went to jungle to live by himself. There he made a nice little hut with wood, bamboo, and reeds. How happy I am here, said the man to himself. But one day he found some mice in his hut. The little creature soon made holes in his blanket. So he brought a cat to kill the mice. The cat needed milk, so he brought a cow. The cow needed grass and hay, so he brought a cowboy. The cow hand needed food, so he took a wife to cook meals. Then children were born to them, and the man again found himself again in a family. So nobody can live alone unless that person is either an angel or a devil. People need food, shelter, companies, and help. They need to look after each other, and if they live in a family or a community, can be their needs can be fulfilled. Hence, living in society can make people good and happy citizens. Okay, dear students, we go to next page. Here we got the activity C. I am reading the instruction. Close your book and answer the question. What 5 things did the young man do in the jungle? Now divide into groups of 5. Tell the story to the groups sequentially. Okay? Dear students, I have written here possible answer for you. You can write the answers in your own 5 things. Number 1, he will take little heart. The young man will take little at first. Okay. Next, brought a cat to kill the mice. When he found some mice in his heart, he brought a cat to kill them. Okay. Next, brought a cow to get milk. When he brought a cat, the cat needed milk to eat. Okay. So what he can do? After thinking for some time, he brought a cow to get milk. Okay. Now the next activity, he brought a cowboy, and the last activity, took a wife. Okay. Now we have finished activity C. I think you have got the point here. And now activity D. Answer the following questions first, discuss in pairs, then write the answers individually. Question number 1. Why the young man leave his house? কেন যুবক লোকটি তার বাড়ি ত্যাগ করেছিল? The answer is, the young man found life in the society full of problems, so he left the house. Okay. Now the next question. Why did he make a hut? Answer. He made a hut in the jungle. He used, next question. What did he make the hut with? সে কি দিয়ে তার কুড়িয়ে ঘরটি তৈরি করেছিলেন? He used bamboo, woods, reeds to make the hut. Okay. Now the third question. Was the man happy in his hut? Answer is, no, the man was not happy in the hut. Question number 4. How did he find himself again in the family? Our answer is, he gathered every necessary things like cat, cow, cowboy, etc. one after another. Okay. And all these things are parts and parcel of family. Thus he found himself again in a family. Okay. Our next question. Where and how can a person be happy? কোথায় এবং কিভাবে একজন ব্যক্তি সুখী হতে পারে? Our answer. A man can be happy in a family, living with others in the society. Okay. Now the last question. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, man cannot live alone. Okay, dear students, we have finished these activities also. Now we have 2 activities to do. I think if you do it at your home as a homework, it will be better than taking it here taking here. Okay. You will do these 2 activities at your home, and it's your homework. Okay. Before leaving, I would like to wish you again your safe and healthy life. See you in our next class. Till then, goodbye.